Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Greg Furman, market analyst here at TraderPlanet.com, and these are the market positions for October the 4th, 2011. Now, our first position for tonight is going to be in the iShares Comex Gold Trust, the IAU ETF. Now, this is going to be another highly volatile week we've got ahead of ourselves, that's for sure. Now, what we're looking at this week is further problems in the Eurozone, the non-farm payrolls out of the US. We're looking to capitalize on a potential reversal in the gold trade. Gold's been under a considerable amount of pressure now for the better part of September, to be perfectly honest. This looks like it's starting to flatten out to me. We can see that the predicted TSI and the predicted MACD are in heavily oversold territory. We're starting to turn down near the bottom. Our predicted long-term difference and medium-term difference also heavily oversold. Again, they're turning up also. Now, our EMA cross, our key level here on this particular gold trust, 1669. We've closed at 1630. Now, what we're looking at for a signal here, number one, is the fact that we're grossly oversold. Number two, the fundamental is that if the U.S. non-farm payroll is coming out, the problems in the Eurozone, Greece, etc., gold starts to look attractive again. So we know that the number out of the U.S., the non-farm payroll, is not likely to be a good number, so it should boost the gold trade short term, if nothing else. So looking at this, our EMA cross is crossed to the downside. Our early warning signal here comes from our short-term crossover from Vantage Point. We can see that we're just crossing that trigger to the upside, and again, with all of these indicators in grossly oversold territory, it suggests that the momentum to the downside is going to at least pause here, and we're set for a retracement. Now, again, very risky trade, but what I like to see is that we're no longer breaking through that Vantage Point predicted low for the day. We're now tagging the upside. We've come up here. You can see we've broke through multiple times. We've crushed the completely smashed through the Vantage Point predicted low. When that EMA cross went off, gold plummeted. The iShares Comex Gold Trust plummeted with the gold futures. It's just basically, guys, it's the same trade. This is just far less volatile. This has only moved $2 a share. That's nothing compared to what gold has moved from 1900 down to 1500. That's a vicious move on gold. So here it's a little bit of a safer place to trade the long gold contracts. Now, what we can see, what we're looking for here now is to try and fine-tune this entry point for tomorrow. We're going to come into our daily report from Vantage Point. We can see our neural index is up. For tomorrow, we have 1616 as a high, 1594. Very tight range there for the iShares. So again, we're looking for a